10-thing bowling, 10-thing bowling. Set them up and they add up to 10. 10-thing bowling, 10-thing bowling. Set them up and they add up to 10. 9 rolling pins and 1 violin make 10. 8 Easter eggs and 2 wooden legs make 10. 7 building bricks and 3 candlesticks. 6 plastic cones and 4 doggy bones. And 5 fluffy cats and 5 funny hats make 10. Or, to put it another way round, 5 funny hats and 5 fluffy cats make 10. 4 doggy bones and 6 plastic cones make 10. 3 candlesticks and 7 building bricks. 2 wooden legs and 8 Easter eggs. And 1 violin and 9 rolling pins make 10.